Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Icelandair application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the notifications settings. And look for the push notifications button and click on the white circle next to it to enable it. And once it turned green, the notifications are on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.